Hi, I'm Vivian Baker. I'm a makeup artist for Phil.
And I've been asked to tell you about 5 products that I always keep in my kit. Lighting is the first, and to me the most important. TML, the makeup light, the best. The other one is Augustine Bader's The Rich Cream. Always a staple in my kit. And you can't go wrong with a little bit of James Reed Glow. You can down a drop of this into the Bader cream to make sure that you're not too pale in those winter months. The other item that I really love to always have in my kit is Sandra Rosselli Water Elixir. This is a great little skin prep, but it does more than skin prep. You can mix it with powders, you can mix it with creams, you can mix it with even some bases to thin them out and to get beautiful washes and allow you to layer your makeup. And the other thing that I love is Lashify. Lashify changed lashes because now you can wear them and not look like you have too much makeup on, and I love Lashify. Anyway, I hope this was good and you'll check these items out.